Language is beautiful, and in science, language allows you to explain things in different ways for different audiences. Let me give you an example from my Science Week 2022 adventures around Ireland. In November 2022, I travelled Ireland giving talks about superheroes and science. And during one of my talks, which took place at the University of Galway in Ireland, I experienced this beautiful connection with language. In my talk, I was looking at the Iron Man suit, and that is an exoskeleton suit, which is a suit you wear outside your body and allows you to do things that you could not do without that piece of technology. We also have another skeleton, of course, that's the one inside our bodies, and that is an endoskeleton. Every day, we actually have an endoskeleton and an exoskeleton around us or inside of us. The exoskeleton that we wear every single day, that's clothing. So I asked the audience, why do we wear clothing every single day? The hands went up, and I had all age groups covered in the audience, from children up to adults. And I picked one 7-year-old boy, and he told me the following, which is just brilliant. He said the reason that we wear clothing is that it prevents us from walking around in front of everyone in the outside world with everything out on display. It's just a beautiful way to say that we wear clothing so that we are not walking around naked in the outside world. An absolutely brilliant way to explain the need for clothing and using language in a beautiful manner, because language in this case got a reaction. It had the opportunity to create humor in the room while also to educate. It connected with people in the room, and it is a beautiful vehicle through which science can be transported and shared with other people. Yes, without language, science will suffer in terms of communication, and language is indeed beautiful.